rather than label every individual symbol in the design, you can use the SmartLabel tool to pick up the number of instances of a particular symbol and just have one label. Let me illustrate. I have a plant data file attached, and if I can show the symbols with names, I just have this one symbol tagged at the moment, just for simplicity. So now we'll use the Smart Plant Label. The first prompt says select the symbol or adjacent copies of that same symbol. So we've hit the 3 copies and we want it labelled with a leader, and the first point of the leader line might be in the middle of the group, and the next label is there. And do we want to pick up the code? Yes, we do. Do we want to pick up the botanical name? No. Common name? No. Do we want the count? With the count in this case will be 3, so we'll say yes, and in goes the label. Can you see 3 ACIT? Let's have a look at our gCADPlus edit plant list, and ACIT is Flinders, Ranges, Wattle, Acacia, Etiophila. Yours will of course be different, and you'll be using your own particular plant data file. I'll cancel from there. So you can see that anyone looking at the drawing can see that the symbol is attached to that code, and we'll have the plant schedule printed over at the right. And I'm preparing to move this drawing into the SketchUp environment and build a 3D model based on it. What I'm trying to do is to get as much information as I can into the image file that we're going to export into SketchUp. The SmartLabel tool that was used to label the group automatically put an arrowhead on the leader. The leader in the Smart tool is useful because you can move things around as I'm doing now and reposition the label to good effect. But you might not like the arrow on the end of the leader line. It's very easy to change that into remove the arrowhead if you like, and that's done by editing the dimension style. If we pick it, the drafter here has used a style called Arc Style, and if we go into dimensions and dimension styles and list, here's our arc style, and if we go to geometry, you can have a leader in lots of different forms. You might want a dot at the end, or leave it open, or all sorts of possibilities exist. We'll say none, because what we would like to do, since we've been asked to show, we want to remove that arrowhead. So there's now our leader. Just for ease of presentation, I'll just change that thickness to 0.35, and now you can see the line. I've got line weight on. I could turn line weight on or off. You can see the leader line now can be positioned wherever we want and doesn't show that arrowhead. So you can ring the changes there very, very easily.